Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10. Let me show you how to manage contacts on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the list of all apps, choose here contacts. Here you can sync with your account or you can import contacts, but you can also use this menu key, choose manage contacts, and now you can use import export contacts, and you can, for example, export contacts from your phone. You can import contacts from the special file. You can also go back, and here you can sync contacts by using the Samsung account or, for example, the Google account. Let's go back, and you can also use the default storage location. So, for example, you can select the place where you can save your contacts. So in my case, it could be phone. So that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.